In this video, I'm going to show you our new feature called the drag and drop page builder. Now, if you've used some good page builders in the past, such as the one available on Squarespace or WordPress, you know that they're not great. And some have certain features, others do not. Some have good drag and drop capabilities, but they're not feature rich. Some are feature rich but don't have the drag and drop capabilities. So there's not a single drag and drop page builder that works really well. And what we've built is the first one that does everything very well. So let me show you an example of how easy it would be to build a page that you're looking at right now. Now, this page was designed by a graphic designer, so he chose the fonts to use and alert boxes and the colors. And for a developer to take all of this content and structure it properly in HTML, it could take anywhere between 5 or 10 hours, maybe even more, depending on how much content there is. And what I'm going to show you is how you can build this particular page in 90 seconds or less. So first, we're going to go and create the page inside Shopping Cart Elite as an article. We're going to click on the blocks editor, and we're going to open in an external browser. So before I'm going to show you all the features that this drag and drop page builder has, I'm going to first replicate this page in here, save it on the website, and show you what it looks like. So watch me do this really fast. That's it, I'm done. Not only did I just copy this with perfection, so all the classes were preserved, the colors are preserved, and everything is going to look exactly like this on the website, but it's also going to look exactly like this on any browser, and it will be mobile friendly because it's responsive. So if I shrink it, it's actually going to shrink it to the browser. Now, if you want to add more functions in here, you could do all kinds of things. You could add a table, you can add a form, you can add a quote, address. You can add more columns if that's what you're looking for within the content or outside of the content. If you go to the components, you have shortcuts to create thumbnails, create media objects, videos, and different layouts within the page. You could also deploy custom JavaScript, such as collapsible dropdowns or a scroller with different images. So everything that you see here, again, is going to be mobile friendly. So as you shrink it, it's going to shrink itself. And it's going to look exactly the way you see it on this page. You can also create your own custom code, and you can create custom modules that will work with Shopping Cart Elite. Once you're satisfied with the way your page looks, you simply press save, go back to your editor, say you want to sync it, and that's it, and it's synced. So all the classes are pre-synced. If you want to make any other changes, you can go back here, make a change, press save again, and sync from editor, and it's going to keep syncing it until you close this particular page. Once you're ready to deploy it on the website, you press save, publish the article. You can click on the article, right click it, copy URL to clipboard, go to the website, and the article is rendered. Now this particular website has custom CSS classes which would override the classes that you put into the article. And this is specifically made so all the articles look consistent to each other. So if you end up copying and pasting information from other websites into this editor, the CSS classes that are throughout the whole website will take priority over the classes that were copied in the editor. This will allow you to keep all the content consistent. So if you want your content to look like we just had it in the editor, you would change the CSS classes in one place and then the whole thing would get modified in all of the articles. This drag and drop builder is available on every editor throughout Shopping Cart Elite, so you can design your articles, product pages, content pages, and anything that you want within Shopping Cart Elite